ever paused to consider the environmental impact of your makeup routine? It's a question that perhaps doesn't cross our minds as often as it should. We're all aware of the joy a fresh tube of mascara or a vibrant new lipstick can bring. But have we ever stopped to think about what happens when these products reach the end of their life, or the process that brought them into our hands in the first place? The traditional makeup industry is a complex web of manufacturing processes, packaging, and disposal methods, each with its own environmental implications. Let's start with manufacturing. Many conventional makeup products contain harmful chemicals and synthetic ingredients, the production of which can contribute to air and water pollution. Not to mention, these ingredients can be harsh on our skin and overall health. Then there's the packaging. Makeup products are often packed in plastic containers, tubes, and compacts, many of which are single-use and non-recyclable. These end up in our landfills and oceans, contributing to the ever-growing plastic waste crisis. And while some brands have started using recyclable or biodegradable packaging, there's still a long way to go. Disposing of our old or expired makeup products is another area of concern. When we throw away these products, they often end up in landfills, where they can take hundreds of years to decompose. And even when they do, they can leach harmful chemicals into the soil and water. The truth is, our makeup habits can have a significant environmental footprint. But it's not all doom and gloom. As consumers, we have the power to influence change. By making conscious choices, we can help shift the industry towards more sustainable practices. But what if there was a way to look fabulous without harming the planet? Thankfully, there is. The world of eco-friendly makeup is expanding, offering a range of products that are kind to both our skin and the environment. But how can we navigate this world? Stay tuned to find out. Eco-friendly makeup, ever heard of it? This isn't just a catchy buzzword, it's the future of beauty and cosmetics. Let's dive in and understand what it truly means. Eco-friendly makeup is about more than just the final product. It's about the journey from inception to the moment it graces your skin. This type of makeup is characterized by three main elements: ingredients, packaging, and manufacturing processes. Firstly, the ingredients. Eco-friendly makeup predominantly uses natural, organic, and ethically sourced ingredients. These ingredients are not only kinder to your skin, but also to our planet. They avoid harmful chemicals that can cause pollution when they're produced or washed off your face. Next up, the packaging. The beauty industry is notorious for its use of plastic, contributing to the millions of tons of plastic waste generated each year. Eco-friendly makeup counters this by using minimal, recyclable, or biodegradable packaging. They're the brands choosing glass jars, bamboo lids, and refillable containers over single-use plastic. And then there's the manufacturing process. Eco-friendly makeup brands often take a holistic approach to sustainability. This means they're not just thinking about the product, but also about how it's made. They're committed to reducing carbon emissions, conserving water, and minimizing waste during production. But why should you care? What are the benefits? Apart from the obvious environmental impact, eco-friendly makeup can also be a healthier choice. Many traditional cosmetics contain chemicals that can be harmful to your health over time. By choosing eco-friendly makeup, you're reducing your exposure to these substances. Plus, natural ingredients are often gentler on the skin, making them a great choice for those with sensitive skin or allergies. So, the question is, how can you incorporate eco-friendly makeup into your routine? It might seem daunting, but don't worry, we'll guide you through it in our next scene. Stay tuned. Meet the game changers in the world of makeup. These trailblazers are not only creating beautiful products, but are also ensuring that their manufacturing and packaging processes have minimal impact on our precious planet. Let's start with RMS Beauty, a brand that's making waves with its commitment to using raw and organic ingredients. Their Uncover-Up Concealer has become a cult favorite among makeup enthusiasts. It's not just about the product itself, but also the packaging. RMS Beauty uses minimal plastic and glass containers that can be reused or recycled. Next up, we have Elate Cosmetics. They are leading the charge in sustainable beauty with their refillable bamboo compacts. Their products, including their popular universal creme for cheeks and lips, are made with vegan and cruelty-free ingredients. The bamboo compact is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also reduces waste, as it can be refilled with new product pans. Another brand that deserves a mention is Axiology. This vegan lipstick brand uses 10 or fewer ingredients in each of its products. Moreover, their packaging is made from recycled trash by a women's cooperative in Bali. This initiative not only helps the environment but also aids in providing jobs for local women. Moving on to Antonym Cosmetics. They are known for their professional-grade organic makeup, housed in sustainable bamboo packaging. Their certified organic baked blush is a favorite among many for its silky texture and long-lasting color. Last but not least, we have Kier Weiss. This luxury beauty brand offers a unique refill system where customers can replace their used product with a new one, reducing the need for additional packaging. Their award-winning cream foundation is renowned for its exceptional coverage and skin-nourishing ingredients. And these are just a few examples. The world of eco-friendly makeup is vast and growing. By choosing these brands, you're not only treating yourself to high-quality makeup, but also contributing to a more sustainable and environmentally friendly world. So, what's the takeaway from all of this? We've journeyed through the world of makeup and cosmetics, but not from the usual perspective. We've seen its impact on our dear planet Earth, and it's clear that there's more to our makeup routines than meets the eye. Traditional makeup, as we've seen, often comes with a heavy environmental price tag. From the extraction of raw materials to the production processes, and even the journey to your dressing table, each step leaves a carbon footprint. Then there's the issue of packaging, much of which ends up in landfills or our precious oceans. But it's not all doom and gloom. We've discovered the rising wave of eco-friendly makeup, which promises beauty without the environmental blemish. These products are made with an emphasis on sustainability, from sourcing ingredients to packaging. The aim here is to minimize the impact on our environment and still offer you the high-quality products you've come to expect. And the best part is, there's no shortage of options. We've explored a variety of eco-friendly makeup brands and products that are making waves in the industry. From brands that prioritize organic ingredients to those that champion zero waste, the choices are as diverse as they are exciting. But the journey doesn't stop here. It's a continual process of learning, adapting, and making better choices. If you're contemplating a switch to eco-friendly makeup, remember that every product counts. It's not about perfection, but progress. And if you're wondering where to start, consider your makeup routine. What products do you use the most? Which ones are you ready to switch out for an eco-friendly alternative? Remember, the goal is not to overhaul your entire routine at once, but to make small, sustainable changes. In the end, it's about balance. Balancing our desire for beauty with our responsibility to the planet. After all, true beauty is about more than just looking good. It's about feeling good, knowing that our choices are contributing to a healthier, more sustainable world. Remember, every small step towards sustainability counts. Your makeup routine is a great place to start.